And while November is happening and December is running very fast, these are the sounds surrounding my desk. Today, I'm going to be creating a little label for the cover of my journal. If you want to see the making of the cover, you're very welcome to click on the link down below. I'm going to leave it down below this video and so you can watch it completely. Also, if you want to watch all the videos related with November 2024, please click in the playlist link down below. And today I'm going to do something different. I wanted to give my journal a name, and I just want to do December 2024. I came up with the idea of using Aida cloth, the one you use for cross stitch, in order to create the label. This is a great idea. As you can see, I'm not following any pattern or any model because I did a lot of cross stitch in my teenager years, my high school, and my university and college because my mom was a cross stitch lover. So she taught me how to do it. I remember going to Great Barrington, Massachusetts too, and I have an aunt over there, and we used to do a lot of cross stitch during winter time because 5 o'clock in the afternoon is already dark, so we spent like 5 hours a day just talking and cross stitching. So I hope you get inspired with this video because you can do anything you want with Aida cloth and also with embroidery thread. As you can see here, I'm just doing little stitches in order to create the letters and the numbers. But you can also go on Google and look for images about the alphabet in cross stitch. And I'm going to link down below another videos that I have about cross stitch here in my channel. I did some presents last year for some friends and I used cross stitch to do that. Also, I came out with the idea of using Aida fabric to make the spine of my mini journal. So I hope that you get inspired and you go down here in the description box and click on those videos and watch them. I hope you're getting a lot of inspiration and ideas with this episode. And remember, don't go away without subscribing to my channel. You can always leave me a comment. This morning, I opened my YouTube administrator page and I was so happy of having 7 comments. I was about to cry. Thank you all because all your comments are awesome. All your comments are beautiful. And I feel that I am creating a nice community in here. You beautiful ladies, and thanks for being in here. So don't go away without subscribing, leaving me a thumbs up, and also you can always leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much, and let's keep growing and let's keep working on our journals. Bye, friends. I see you very, very soon because I need to go back to the prompts and we have black and white bookmark. So stay tuned that video is already in the oven. Bye, friends. See you soon. See you next time. Bye, friends.